Video has the power to streamline complex processes, facilitate seamless communication, and provide comprehensive training. From assembly line operations to quality control procedures, a solution that combines ServiceNow and Vbrick empowers manufacturing professionals to keep factories humming. Time is money, and when you have a single system for managing work orders that includes video assets with critical operations information at workers' fingertips, productivity continues and even accelerates. If a machine part breaks, equipment malfunctions, or sensors fail, delivering videos on how to solve these problems to the right person at the right time, right where they're working, can be the difference between hitting your goals or falling behind. Here's how this can work for a manufacturer. It's just one example of many ways Vbrick and ServiceNow can enhance the workflows anywhere in the mechanical or maintenance lifecycle. A worker on the assembly line reports an equipment malfunction. Taylor, the technician assigned to the case, gets a notification and opens the work order in Field Service Management to see a description of the issue. She's also shown a series of videos that have been created to address this topic, all automatically served up using AI. She can see each video, read the description to get a summary of the content, and view the transcript with timestamps to find the most relevant information. The first video in the list is one made by an engineer, showing how she fixed this same issue before. She recorded the repair process on her mobile phone and uploaded it to the platform. When Taylor opens the video, a transcript of the content appears, where she can search by keywords to pinpoint specific areas. She can even use the video assistant to ask what parts she'll need to replace. Taylor still has a question about another topic, so she goes back to the AI curated list and reads through the summaries for another training video. Now, she's all set to head to the floor. Because Taylor can access the video from her mobile device, she's able to follow along in the video as she's working on the equipment, improving efficiencies and saving time. When Taylor has completed the repair, she makes a quick recording to document the work she's done and includes a few helpful tips to speed up the repairs for other technicians. Adding video to workflows can transform every aspect of manufacturing, not only by reducing production time, but also fostering a collaborative environment, promoting innovation in an industry driven by cutting-edge technology. In this era of rapid advancements, harnessing the power of video is a strategic choice, propelling manufacturers towards greater precision, reliability, and ultimately, unprecedented levels of success.